Hi guys, Nikko is here. Today the next part of assembling of my Honda CBR600 F4i 2004 and finally I'm going to install the fairings. So enough talking, let's do it. The bike is assembled. Finally! A couple of words about the plastics. Because I see many questions on different forums in internet and Facebook groups for different motorcycles. Is this plastic is good? I bought the fairings at auctmarts.com. I will leave the name in the description. It's not sponsored, unfortunately. I'm not that big blogger yet, but okay. I know that they invest a lot in marketing, and many people would like or going to buy fairings from them. So, and many people ask, is it good? So, in general, yes, they are good. They are really good. The procedure of ordering and all customer service is incredible. It's great, super. They sent me the sketch of the tent cover because I wanted it not usual, not standard, and they sent me everything, and they told me what's going to be, how they're going to do, and they sent the order very quickly. Actually, they built it, they sent it, and it came very well packed, so no questions to them. The quality of plastics itself, it's good, it's great. It's a good ABS plastic, no question asked. It's good quality plastic. The painting is A-, let's say, because the quality of painting is good, but I found some small droplet of clear coat at one place. Not a big deal at all, because it's not very visible, but okay, let's say it's very good, but not ideal. What you should keep in mind if you're going to order that it's not OEM part, and the sizing, it's not very precise, not accurate to each nanometer, let's say. So you will need to drill probably something, or stretch the plastic on some parts of your work. I think I didn't film it, but it was some kind of backstage work for preparation of plastic to installation. So something needed stretching, something needed required drilling, something required just adjustment. In general, for this money, I think that the quality is great. Not ideal, but great for these purposes and for the bike, which is 18 years old. So I think that it looks awesome. Okay, too much talking. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for being with this channel. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like, please do not hesitate to give me a thumbs down. Anyway, I will be glad to see your reaction and what I can improve in my future videos. If you have any questions, if you would like to say something, good, bad, anything, please write a comment below. And thank you very much, and see you next time for the next project. And by the way, I already have one, but let's save it for next time. See you!